It shouldn't be an either or.
You see, we need an airport, we agree. In terms of comparing it, one would say we've lagged behind, we've slept on the job for a very long time, but that has to happen in accordance to the law. And with that then, this being a legal contract and the government having its own advisors and the law is being put on the side, there seemingly is deliberate abrogation of the law with hidden reasons as to why that is happening. Yet Kenyans are expected to pay for projects that they are not aware what is in it. Would you reckon it's by design, it's deliberate, that Kenyans are just not being given this information?
I think I have said there is an instinct in certain quarters in government against disclosure. And it has been a fight that has taken place for more than 10 years. If you invite Senator Mtata here one of these days to tell you about his court fight to get disclosure of the SGR contract documents, and how eventually after he got some orders for disclosure, they disclosed only part of the documents. They never disclosed in full. And how the case went all the way to the Supreme Court. So there is a really strong instinct against disclosure, and I think we have not fully implemented the requirements of the Constitution of Kenya, even though it is 16 years later. So that fight has to go on, because it has to become the normal thing that maybe within 2 weeks of signing the contract, or 3 weeks, you upload it on the website for Kenyans to see. And you can even give some explanatory notes if you think Kenyans will not understand the document, so that they can understand the document. So these are things that need to be done. They are a requirement of our law. They are not being complied with. And I think it is an inertia, because in the old days, you did not need to disclose. So the fact that the new constitution has new demands on access to information, some people still are living in the past approach to government tendering or public contracts. And then, of course, there's something else that has happened, is that in the immediate aftermath of the new constitution, we enacted laws that were robust enough, and there was an attempt at disclosure. But what we've noticed is that there are gradual clawbacks in what the constitution and the laws require. It's almost like, it reminds me of this saying, constant vigilance is a price for liberty. So it is not enough that we got a new constitution on paper. It's not enough that we got a few laws on paper. If you are not constantly vigilant, then even those liberties, those rights that we won under the constitution will start retreating because they are not being exercised. It's like if you have some muscles that you don't exercise, then the muscles atrophy. And that is what we are trying to avoid. So we are saying precisely a matter like this one of the airport is a good one for us to exercise our muscles of full disclosure.